What's up, everybody? Today we are racing in Indiantown, Florida, taking on FTR, and here we go. So we got a lot of pro riders out here getting ready for GNCC coming up in a few weeks. You know, Max and Sam are gearing up right now, gonna take on junior class, and hey, let's get straight into it.
Start and to stop there. Do you want to record your brother? Okay.
So right about here, Max's camera ended up dying. He finished 4th place on this race. I think he completed 3 laps. Sam, I don't know what the is going on over here. He's clearly having some problems, but he ended up finishing 11th on this race. So as you can see right here, here are the overall results for the junior class. So Jordan Burge, he got 1st place. John Hancock got 2nd, and Clayton Carenti got 3rd. Alright guys, well that is it for the video. Unfortunately, I wasn't here to race because I was working this weekend, but the next race in, I think it is Ormond Beach, Florida, I will be there. That is coming up, I believe, February 18th or something like that. So I will be there for sure. I'm definitely looking forward to it. I'm going to take my 450 out there and we'll see what happens. So alright guys, well that's it for me. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.